ॲपलाचो आयफोन 6s आणि आयफोन 6s प्लस गोंयांत लॉन्च जालो. पयल्या गिरायकाक आयफोन 6 दिवपाक पणजे मध्यानराती खासा सुवाळो जालो. गोंयकारां मदीं आयफोनाची बरीच क्रेज आसा. नवी टॅक्नॉलॉजी आशिल्ले आयफोन 6 आणि 6 प्लस हालींच भारतांत लॉन्च जाल्लो. गोंयांत मात तो उसरा लॉन्च जाला. आयफोन 6s 62,000 आणि आयफोन 6s प्लस 72,000 मेळटा.
For the first time in Goa, we are launching the iPhone 6s and the iPhone 6s Plus. Pretty amazing features compared to the iPhone 6, the prior model. I believe everybody should come ahead and try and get themselves the iPhones. Just like these customers, they are the first ones to have it in Goa. Well, this is the first time actually in Goa we are introducing this concept. Normally you would see it in metropolitan cities like Delhi, Mumbai, but first time we believe we see a lot of potential in people into the iPhone 6 and the 6s. There's a lot of hype in Goa, so I believe everybody should be a part of this occasion.
Compared to other countries, in India it is launched pretty late, so people are actually very excited, and you can see there's been people have actually come out at night at 12 o'clock.
I chose iPhone because it's one of the best, and Apple has a name over the past years. They're selling the most phones in everywhere in the world.
सध्या नवरात्रां चल्ल्यात. दसऱ्या मेरेन 9 राती देवळांनी दुर्गेचो उत्सव. गोंयांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या देवळांनी नवरात्रांत मखर उत्सव पोन्नी परंपरा. फुलांनी भरगच्च सजयल्ल्या मखरांत देवाच्यो आरती आनी दर्शनाचो आनंद वेगळोच. गोंयभर सध्या नवरात्रांनी गरबा दांडियाचो उत्सवय चल्ला. आज पळोवया शिरगांवच्या लयराई देवळांतलो मखरोत्सव आनी वास्को न्यू वाड्यावेलो दांडिया.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायेति शक्तिता. नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः.
इतल्या खबरां चित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.